Sanchez from 4CRB01, and from this vlog, I introduce the ballistic laboratory in PCCR. Question number 1. Why are you most excited to try this laboratory? For me, to gain new knowledge of ballistic laboratory, like how to use equipment properly and correctly. Kailangan natin matutunan kung paano paggamit ng mga laboratory equipment like this, kung paano siya gamitin ng tama and proper. Question number 2. What skills do you expect to gain from this lab? I want to apply the knowledge called investigation, where these skills will be used to determine every other kinds of bullets and guns. Question number 3. How will these skills help you in your criminology journey and future career? What can help me when the time comes is the knowledge of different types of guns and bullets.